Hello friends, I'm back with you with another video of PTE Reorder. Okay, so you must have seen my previous video in which I discussed all the tips and tricks, and if you have not seen this video, I request you to watch this video beforehand, for which I have given the link in the description section. So after watching this video, you'll get to know what are the tips and tricks, how to find out an independent sentence that would become the opening one, and how to make pairs into reorder. Okay, so this is another question that we are taking now for today's class. I'll just giving you 1 minute only. I'm not giving you more time. If you want more time, you can pause the video and you can take extra time. So after taking 1 minute, I will discuss the correct answer of it and why this is the correct answer. Okay, so your time starts now. Okay, so I hope you might have done your answer. Okay, so let's discuss what could be the correct answer. So there are two things that we will be doing simultaneously. The very first is finding out the independent sentence, and second, at the same time, keeping in mind all the referral words, right? So let's start with it. The first is sentence A. It is important to register for sessions with the industry professionals as numbers are limited. So when we say the industry professionals, we need to search whether they are talking about industry professionals beforehand or not, since we discussed about article hints. Article hints means a then the, or sometimes even they don't use a because this is plural. Professionals, professionals means it would be without a. Generally they will be talking about industry professionals, and after that they would be specifying it with the verb the. Then the conference is a part of the Career Counseling Center's campaign, which has been designed to assist final year students transitioning out of university and getting their careers off to a good start. So the conference. So the conference is, again we have another article hint for that. The conference, they might have discussed about any conference beforehand. So this cannot be your independent sentence because it is having article in it, and that is the same thing here with this, right? Then the third is students will be able to speak with industry professionals and graduates who had the benefit of this assistance last year. This assistance. So this is what? This is again a referral word that cannot come in the beginning. Okay, and where it can attach, that we will discuss after that. First we need to find out the independent sentence. So the next is the university will host its second annual Arts and Commerce Career Readiness Conference on campus next month. So here the same thing as we have discussed in opening paragraph, they will give name of any event of a university or something. So here we got the name. Okay, so this is name. Arts and Commerce Career Readiness Conference. So this is name of a conference. So name of the conference means it will come just in the beginning. That will be the opening sentence. So that will be the opening sentence. So we'll mark D here. Okay, so after D, if you remember, we have already pointed out this word, the conference. The conference means this conference they are talking about, which name was there in sentence D. So this the conference will come after D. So after that we will be having B. Fine. Then we have the industry professionals. The industry professionals, do we have something related to industry professionals somewhere else? Exactly. So if you find where they are talking about industry professionals, it is here. Industry professionals. Then at the same time they are talking about this assistance. This assistance means obviously they must have talked about assistance somewhere. So where they are talking about assistance, it is here, to assist. So to assist, for this they have referred to this assistance. So it referred back to this sentence. So it means C will come after B. So we'll mark C here. Okay, now we are left with A only, then again with the same industry professionals and the industry professionals. Okay, so at last we will be having A. So this is your correct answer, D, B, C, A. Right. So I hope that is clear to you. So these are basically the tips and tricks. These are basically the strategies that you need to keep in mind by practicing again and again, so that you can complete your reorders in a very quick manner without wasting your time, and at the same time you can get maximum score out of it. And just keep in mind that in final exam, whatever the reorders you will be getting, these are all logical. You never get illogical reorders in your final exam, and these are very easy to understand and very easy to attempt if you practice nicely. Okay, so keep watching. All the best.